What's up, everyone? Welcome back. My name is Justin. So we got a quick little update on the car. We don't have a ton done. We were off a little bit last week. We weren't working on the car, so I'll show you guys where we're at here. I don't really know where we left off, but this is done. This is all welded up in here. But one thing we kind of changed, this panel here, we haven't really liked the way it's turning out, the way it fits. So we've redone it 4 times. We're on the 4th. Yeah, we're on the 4th one right now. So we've redone it 4 times. Right now it's good enough to go in, but we've put that on hold. We're actually looking for a car. We're looking for the front half of a car instead right now. We're hoping we can find the front half of a car and cut it right across here and just put a whole new section in up there instead, and wrap it all the way around into here where the new rockers will be. So that's kind of where we're at on this front. This is on hold for now. We got a couple cars that we're talking to people about down in Arizona, but the problem with that is I gotta try and figure out how to get them home from Arizona. So we'll see. But we're looking for the front half of a car at this point. In the meantime, we redid the cowl, which, if you remember, had a whole bunch of holes in here. But I have it. This is the old piece. And each one of these drill marks was a pinhole that we tried to drill out and we were gonna plug. It sits right in here. And it just ended up being so much that we decided to replace the cowl. We cut it out and that's what the back looked like. So we're glad we did, even though it was dipped. So right here is where the seam is. Right here up about here, and then all the way over there. This whole entire thing has been replaced. It's been re-spot welded. You can see the spot welds in the light. It's been spot welded all across there. When we had it out, the whole cowl was cleaned, and then it was zinc coated and primered, a weldable primer, and then the new panel was put on over there that we made. But that's where we're at on this. So we're gonna start moving to the back, get some stuff done back there while we figure out the front. That's kind of our unknown right now, is the front. We don't want to move, we don't want to continue with the front because it's just gonna end up costing us so much money. Everything is, it's time versus money on something like this. We can spend the time, we can spend the money and make them. But if we can find the front half of a car out of the desert that's clean, then it'll save us time and money. We have to buy the car, but $1,000 for the front half of a car is a lot cheaper than making this stuff at the end of the day. So it does make sense to try and just do that instead. If we can't find one, then we just build it. I mean, that's what we've done already. Now we finally have a good template to mirror on the other side that we don't have to worry about it. So we'll see. But this is what the car's looking like. Kind of poked around in the back here a little. Pulled this apart to kind of see what we have to do to make this, how we want to do this on the bead roller and stuff. Kind of go from there. Hood's in here so we could test fit it up on the cowl. But yeah, so this is where we are. The new cowl, I'm really happy that we put the new cowl on instead. But yeah, other than that, this is where we're, I'm gonna leave you guys off at. And yeah, I'm gonna have another video tomorrow. Yeah, it should be tomorrow. The engine's all done being cleaned, the block is, the cases, so I gotta paint the cases because they look like crap. They're all corroded. We're gonna paint them, and then the rest of the parts got delivered today, so we're ready to start building the engine. So we're going to have this going on, and we're also going to have the engine build going on. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to leave you guys here with this update, and you know, comment down below kind of what you think, where we're at on this, and tell me what you guys think. You know, I've got some feedback, and I enjoy seeing it, see what you guys think of the build so far. So let me know. And if you're not subscribed and you want to see more, subscribe so you get notified when I post on this. So other than that, I'll see you guys later.